Hello everyone, I'm going to share with you this recipe that will help to turn you into a younger beautiful queen. So in case you have wrinkles, you have fine lines, you have any signs of aging, forehead wrinkles, continue watching and make sure you watch this video to the end because it will help you greatly. The ingredients are purely natural. It will make sure it gets rid of wrinkles, all parts of your body. It works greatly. The ingredients are purely natural with no side effects. All you have to do is just to get all the ingredients ready because this is very effective. So consider subscribing if you love beauty tips like this. Also turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos you get to see it and come and watch. Alright, so the first ingredient I made use of is cornstarch. From the title you already know it. Cornstarch or corn flour, they're all the same. It's fortified with nutrients that will help to firm your skin. It firms the saggy skin. It helps greatly to make sure you're looking younger. It also absorbs so much oil on your skin in case you have oily skin. So cornstarch is a must have. Try to get it. Like I always say, try to get all these ingredients. Get it from the supermarket. Keep it at home because you may need it. All these are mostly found in the kitchen, but it helps greatly for taking care of our skin. You will never regret it. So the next ingredient is moringa powder. Moringa powder is gotten from the leaf. Moringa leaf contains antioxidant, very important to fight signs of aging by fighting free radical damage that makes you age faster. Those that have wrinkles on their hand, those that have wrinkles on the feet, you can apply this treatment, this paste, to rewind your age, like to reverse your age. Aging process will be delayed. So try to get moringa. Moringa is not only for losing weight, you can also make use of it in this way to make sure you look younger. Also, moringa powder is very exfoliating. It helps greatly to get rid of dead skin cells seated on the surface of your skin that stops skincare products from working. So you using moringa powder is a great way to exfoliate your skin to get rid of those dead skin cells. Your skin will get brighter, more nourished, and looking so beautiful. So have you seen some older ladies looking so beautiful when they take care of their skin? You can also achieve that. You can age with grace. Your skin will look flawless. Try to take care of your skin and the result will amaze you. So the next one is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel I love so much, and that is because it's very hydrating. If you have dry skin, get aloe vera, add it into your skincare treatment. You will love it. Aloe vera gel, if well processed, will help greatly to make your skin supple. Your skin will gain the right nutrients from it. It helps not only to hydrate your skin, it keeps the skin plump, making sure you regain your youthfulness. In case you have wrinkles already, when you make use of some products or some natural treatment like this that contains aloe vera gel, you will see those wrinkles smoothing. You see your skin firming, like you'll be looking so beautiful. Your skin will stay hydrated and supple, will be glowing, and that is to show you that those wrinkles are gradually reducing. Yes, so the next one is, which is the last one, but first I will tell you the measurements of all this. I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then I added 1 tablespoon of moringa powder in here. Then I added 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Please make sure you get any type, any brand of aloe vera, as long as the percentage is high. This is 99% aloe vera gel. We also have some that are 100% aloe vera gel, so try to get it. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You will love it. So you have to mix together, though you will not be able to mix until you add the next ingredient, which is rose water. Rose water is highly natural, very healthy for the skin. It helps to make your skin stay flawless. It keeps your skin away from so much oil, so much greasiness, by balancing your skin pH and making sure your skin is staying flawless. So beautiful. So another thing I love about rose water, it keeps your skin hydrated, it keeps your skin well nourished, it helps to slow down aging process as well. Try to get original one, okay? Any brand, please. So yes, if you have severe dry skin, please add glycerin. glycerin is very nice, very good. It helps to make the skin retain its moisture, like helping to trap in moisture into the skin, slowing down, preventing dryness, removing flaky skin and all that. So add few drops of glycerin. I don't have it right here. So you can also add some good oils like sunflower oil, argan oil, some other oils like rosehip oil. They are very good at keeping the skin moisturized and glowing. You see your skin looking so beautiful with no makeup. You look so beautiful and naturally, like just naturally beautiful. With the help of rose water, I'll be adding it little by little as it mix. If you don't have rose water, you can use ordinary water, but I prefer using rose water because there's no skin benefit of applying water on your skin. You can drink water, get benefits, but applying water on your skin, there's no benefits, just 0%. So that is why I opt for rose water. All right, so mix this treatment together and apply it on a well clean face, on a well clean skin. Apply on your hand if you are taking care of your hand to remove wrinkles. Apply on your feet also. So yes, I'm going to go right now to apply on my skin to show you how it's done for best results. So you can also exfoliate your lip to get rid of dead skin cells, to stop cracked lips. But after exfoliating your lip, make sure you apply a moisturizer, a lip moisturizer, to avoid drying out your lip and making it get worse. After exfoliating your skin or applying a mask on your face or your skin, make sure you apply a very good moisturizer. We have skincare products in case you want to purchase. You can see it. Okay, as I'm applying it, the products are on display. So contact through that WhatsApp if you need any good one. There are no side effects in those products. Purely natural, very safe for you. So alright, so after applying this treatment, you have to just allow it for some time, about 10 to 15 minutes, so that it can dry and also have time to penetrate and work better. Make sure you wash off all makeups or days so that this treatment will be able to penetrate and work better. So I'm going to leave it on for some time, then wash it out. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a great way to also get rid of acne. If you have acne, if you have dark spots, but if you have acne on your face, do not exfoliate hard. Like, do not scrub it hard when you're rinsing it out. Be gentle, okay? But if you have dark spots, only dark spots, please exfoliate. It gets rid of black hairs. Like, you see your complexion looking so uniform, so beautiful with no makeup. Your skin will look so uniform. And if you also have good skincare products, oh my goodness, that is just the best. As you make use of all this, you apply a good skincare product, your skin will just accept it. Your skin will be looking so beautiful and glowing, just glowing and looking so younger. People will be asking you what you are using on your skin. So just apply this treatment, use it 3 times weekly, and you see your skin rejuvenating. Your skin will be reviving back to normal, like looking more better and better. Make sure you get all the ingredients because they work. Okay, these natural ingredients, they work, but they can be very slow. They can be somehow slow, and that is because they are natural. So you have to be consistent, for best results. Do it in the morning or night, anytime you have the chance, but once a day, 3 times weekly. Try it and you see it for yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.